Welcome. Good to have you back for another one. Let's get into it. Here we are at Glendenning Campground, a free bush camp located near the Grampians in Victoria. Look at the size of this place. It's absolutely massive. It's that big, I might need a map just to find the toilet. There's plenty of room for activities here, both on the water and off it. This is how busy it gets on AFL Grand Final weekend. You'll have no dramas finding a spot here to camp. As you can see, there's plenty of spots available. Here you'll also find barbecue areas, picnic tables, fireplaces, and even public drop toilets. So it's all set up for a great day out if you're just popping down for the day. If you've got your own portable toilet, I'd definitely use that. These drop toilets are a bit on the nose. You'll also find a couple of good quality boat ramps here, and I'm told the reservoir is stocked with Murray cod, golden perch, redfin and trout, and of course the ever annoying carp. Come with me as I take a quick stroll around the place. It's worth noting you'll need to bring your own drinking water here, and there is no on-site dump point, and if you're one of those people who travel with your pets, they're also welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. It's going to help me justify some of the caravan upgrades we need for the next trip. Cheers. Fires here are permitted, providing it's not in a fire danger period, and there's a ton of firewood to collect, if you forget to bring your own. So I suggest you bring your log splitter along with you, and someone who's willing to have a crack. Good job, baby. I can always count on you. Let's take a quick fly over and have a look now. There's not much more I can say about this place, other than just get down there and see it for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. That's about it for us for the year. We've got a couple of cracking caravan parks to visit in January, one sort of inland and one on the coast. And then shortly after that we have one massive trip planned. We'll be going from the bottom of Victoria all the way to Cape York. We're going to take a little bit of time on that one. We'll be going outback Queensland on the way up. We'll be hitting the coast on the way back, with a lot of stops in between. So we should have some good content to show you from that trip. Alright legends, until next time, travel safe and just get out there. What is it?
You're turning the caravan.
That's cool.
But with the caravan upside down.
Oh, what? How do I tie it upside down?
You can... there.